How to connect Hamster Kombat to Ton Wallet. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to connect Hamster Kombat to Ton Wallet. Connecting your wallet to Hamster Kombat lets you prepare for their upcoming airdrop of a new coin. This means you could potentially receive free crypto when it launches. So to connect Hamster Kombat to Ton Wallet. First, launch the Hamster Kombat app and let it fully load. Once you're in the game, navigate to the airdrop tab at the bottom right corner of the bot interface. Look for the button that says Connect Your Ton Wallet. Tap on that button. Tap on Connect Your Ton Wallet. Here you will be shown some options to connect your Ton Wallet. We recommend TonKeeper, which is safe and easy to use. Selecting the TonKeeper option. This will automatically launch the TonKeeper app on your phone. Make sure you double-check the information TonKeeper displays. It should show the action Hamster Kombat is requesting. If everything looks good, go ahead and approve the connection in the TonKeeper app by pressing the Connect Wallet button. And that's it! You've successfully connected your TonKeeper wallet to Hamster Kombat. Now you can claim your airdrop. And this is how to connect Hamster Kombat to Ton Wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.